Ever wondered how to make your business look more professional online? It all starts with a custom business email. Let's start with the most important question. Why does a business email actually matter? Email is still the number one way businesses communicate with clients, partners and suppliers. And the address you send sends a lot about you. If you email someone from a generic address like, johnsmith@gmail.com, it immediately looks personal and informal. But when you email from a professional address like your name at, yourbusiness.com, everything changes. It instantly makes you look more professional. It shows you are a real established business. And most importantly, it builds trust. Clients are far more likely to reply, engage, and take you seriously when your email matches your brand. A business email isn't just about sending messages. It's part of your brand identity. It strengthens your credibility. It makes your company feel organized and legitimate, even if you're just starting out. So having a proper business email is no longer optional. It's essential for anyone who wants to be taken seriously online. Now, let's look at what NeoMail actually gives you. First and most important, you get a fully custom professional email address. Something like your name at yourbusiness.com. But NeoMail goes a step further. Unlike many other providers, Neo actually includes a free domain with your email. That means you don't need to buy a domain separately. You don't need to connect anything manually. Everything's bundled in one simple package. And this is not just basic email. NeoMail comes packed with more than 20 built-in features designed specifically for small businesses. For example, you get appointment scheduling directly inside your email tracking, so you can see when someone opens your messages, follow-up reminders, so you never forget to reply to important clients, email campaigns, allowing you to send newsletters and promotions, a professional email designer to create beautifully formatted emails, a signature designer so every message looks branded and consistent. And on top of that, NeoMail also includes a free AI website builder, which, so you're not just getting an inbox, you're getting a complete communication platform for your business. Everything you need to communicate professionally, stay organized and grow your brand all inside one system. Now, one of the biggest advantages of NeoMail is how easy it is to set up. A lot of people think getting a business email is complicated. They imagine technical settings, domain configurations, and confusing setups. With NeoMail, none of that is required. The entire process is built for non-technical users. It's completely step-by-step and beginner-friendly. Here's how simple it is, right? So first, you sign up. Then you choose your business name. NeoMail helps you select a domain, which is included for free. Next, you create your email address, and that's basically it. No coding, no DNS records, no technical knowledge needed. Within just a few minutes, you can have a fully working professional business email up and running. This makes NeoMail perfect for, freelancers, startups, small businesses, and creators and entrepreneurs. Basically anyone who wants a professional email without the stress of complicated setup. Finally, let's talk about pricing, right? Because this is where NeoMail becomes really attractive. Many business email providers advertise a low price at first, but then charge, extra for domains and, extra for features, extra for upgrades. NeoMail keeps things simple and affordable. It's designed specifically for startups and small businesses that need professional tools without big costs. You get a full-featured business email platform at a very reasonable price point. And most importantly, there are no hidden fees. What you see is what you get. A professional email address, a free domain, powerful business features, and an easy, to use platform, all included in one transparent package. So instead of paying for multiple tools, one for email, one for scheduling, one for tracking, NeoMail brings everything together in a single affordable solution. That makes it a very cost-effective option for anyone building a business online. Sign up with NeoMail using the link in the description to get your professional email and free domain today. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll find powerful features designed to make business emails simple and professional. You can easily migrate from Gmail, create branded signatures, track opens, send follow-up reminders, and even use AI's SmartWrite to help craft better emails. You also get tools like Send Later scheduling, a built-in email designer, full email campaigns, and even an AI website builder, all in one place. Everything is built to support your business branding and help you look more professional from day one. Setup is fast and straightforward, so you can be up and running in minutes. So don't wait. Sign up with NeoMail using the link in the description and claim your professional email and free domain today.